Mojito cocktails is a very popular cocktail in the restaurants. The glass ready in the glass, so we got to give it a mint flavor. So we got to put some leaves, mint leaves into the glass, and to give it minty flavor, we are going to crush the mint leaves so that it releases its juices as well as flavor. So here put a big of mint, and as per your taste, 60 ml or 45 or 30 ml, we put Bacardi White Rum Limon. Here we go, and fresh lemon. You can have already made fresh lemon juice. I prefer squeezing a fresh lemon. It gives that lemony aroma while you're making the coffee. Goes into your nostrils and give you that wow. My favorite, peach schnapps. Here we go, few drops of Angostura, drop or two. We have the soda, and pour the soda and ice into it. And now we stir it. This one is only, maybe we'll give it a little orange slice, and here you are ready with Mohito, the easiest one to make. Cheers! If you have liked the video, please like, share, subscribe.